Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Biometrics and Password. Then let's tap on the Fingerprint ID. If you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm. If you do not have one, your device will ask you to add it. It is required. So let me draw it, and then we can start with deciding for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So just mark unlock device. Here we've got the instructions, so just tap on add fingerprint. And as you can see, here we've got the animation, so we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button of our device. So just let's do it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Your device will of course show you the information if this area has been already recorded. So now the address. All right, let's confirm it with OK. And here we've got some options connected with the fingerprint, so how you want to unlock your device, whether you want to feel the vibration. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add new fingerprint, or identify fingerprint. So now let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.